Hi guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video I'm going to share with you a website that pays you to test business apps. Okay, so businesses that have created apps, they need people to test them, and you can actually make from $20 all the way up to $90 doing this. Okay, now I don't know how many projects that you get to work on every week, but I know that this can be an extra little side hustle or a side income. You know, it's not going to make you a full-time income. If you actually want to know how you can make a full-time income doing affiliate marketing, go to my training series. There's actually a few training series I have, but one of them in particular is Amazon affiliate marketing using YouTube without creating videos. Okay, so if you want to check that out, go to my go to those videos, and you'll be able to access all that training. Okay, and also make sure to like, comment and subscribe so that you can get more updates on my videos. So I'm going to go through with you on this. The website is called Userlytics. Okay, and it's something that I just recently found out. Like literally this one I just found out today. I'm going to go through with you on the FAQs. Okay, so the common questions that people have about this. Okay, so you basically get paid through PayPal. Okay, so when you need to make sure to fully complete a task, and that means that your client has left a positive review and you've fully completed it and they're happy with the service. Then you get paid after I think it's 15 days they said. Let me just quickly go and have a look. When will I get paid? Once our client has reviewed a positively rated and positively rated your test feedback, your test will be marked as approved. Payments for approved tests are made once every 15 days. Okay, so basically once you get the review and everything, then you basically get the payment 15 days after that. Okay. Can I use my laptop webcam? Yes, no problem, using either a desktop or webcam laptop. However, best to have only one webcam connected and configured so that the Userlytics recorder can easily locate the webcam it needs to use. So basically, also what happens is when you're doing a test, sometimes clients want you to record the screen, so they kind of like monetize you. I'll just read through what it says here. So what is a live conversation? It is a test where you'll be listening to a moderator who will guide you and ask questions during the test. If you are invited to a live conversation, sometimes referred to as a moderated user experience test, you will be offered a set of dates, times that you can choose from. And it's very important that you show up at the time you selected or notified us at least 24 hours before if you cannot. Otherwise, you may receive a bad rating and never be invited to another test. So make sure that you got that right, because obviously, you don't want to get a bad review and then no one wants to friggin' hire you. Okay, so what's the next thing? Okay, what is the Userlytics recorder? The Userlytics recorder is our proprietary state-of-the-art user testing software application. It is very easy to use. What is a screener? Sometimes before being accepted to a test, you will be asked a series of questions to determine if you are the right profile for a particular test. It's very important that you answer honestly, otherwise you may receive a poor rating and not be re-invited to test later on. So that's another thing. Be honest. Don't lie and say, oh yeah, just lie about crap. Make sure that your details are genuine, honest. You're showing yourself as a real person, and I think they go by your profile. how you set up your profile, etc. So make sure that you got a good profile up to date, and you know everything's looking good. Let's see, is there a qualification test? Sometimes we require our testers to take a qualification test. Okay. Let me just put that camera down a bit. Okay. Let's have a look. I'm new to remote user testing. What kinds of things should I know? Okay. You don't need to know anything about usability testing to be one of our user experience testers. In fact, many of our clients prefer user testers who have no prior experience or usability testing. This allows for realistic user experience feedback from real world user testers. So that's a good thing. You don't have to have any experience. It's literally just, you know, okay, so let's look for something else. Should I use an external mic? No, oftentimes the use of external mic will interfere with the sound recording, so please avoid them if possible, and simply speak without the use of an external microphone. Take an advantage of the internal microphone of your computer. So you don't even need to add an external mic. You're literally using your webcam. You know, if you have most people have an internal mic, and you just use that. Can I have more than one Userlytics account? No. Each tester can only have one Userlytics account. So just don't make sure that you don't have more than one or duplicate it, because you don't want your account being shut down or whatever. Okay, so just thinking. Okay, this is a good one. What do usability tasks consist of? Examples of past user experience include: register for an account on a client site, log in, fill in your profile and add a friend. Pretend you are looking for a pair of jeans, search for jeans, look through the results and proceed to checkout, but stop before the order is confirmed. Look around ABC site. So this is like really simple and basic stuff, and you get paid for it. It's pretty cool. Let's see this one. Look around ABC site wherever your interests take you and give us feedback on the look and feel, concept and overall layout. Compare a home page to a competitor's or industry leader's homepage and tell us what we do better or worse than them, and which site you choose to visit and why. Compare the purchasing checkout function of two sites. Conduct a search for an item site. React to a series of advertisements, video or static images. Answer a series of questions. So in a nutshell, those are the kind of tasks that you're going to be doing. It's really simple, and if you get paid $20 just to do that, like even $20, apparently you can get up to $90 per task. So you know, if that's not good, I don't know what is. You know, if you are looking for an extra way to make a bit more money, this is not like a full-time job. This is not going to get you rich, no, but it's probably going to, you know, give you a bit of maybe you know, $50, $100 a week in extra income. You know, if you get maybe even more, I don't know depending on how many tasks you do a week. So if you want more information on this website, check it out in the link below, where it says Userlytics. And yeah, like I said, if you want to learn how to make a full-time income doing affiliate marketing, go back to my previous video where I talk about how you can use YouTube to promote Amazon affiliate programs, the Amazon affiliate marketing program. Not promote the program, promote affiliate products on Amazon as an affiliate. Yeah, go to my training series, and you know, that's some really powerful, really powerful content that you can get access to. Okay, so yeah, that's about it in a nutshell. You know, get signed up to Userlytics if you want to make some extra income, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in more upcoming videos. Take